Step 3 is to find out 0 points and sketch the picture. To find out 0 points, we need to factor numerator. Again, right here, negative 20 is negative 5 plus 4 times 4. Negative 5 times 4, you get negative 20. Plus each other, you get negative 1. So numerator can be factored into x minus 5 times x plus 4. Denominator is x plus 2. Now you have a, here is negative 4, not here, negative 4. Negative 4 right here. So here is negative 4, that's the 0 point, and here is 5, that's the 0 point, because you plug in negative 4 plus positive 4 cancel each other, you get 0 for this quantity. 0 times any quantity is 0, and numerator will be 0. If numerator is 0, the whole quantity will be 0. So negative 4 is the 0 point, so is 5. X equals negative 4 is right here. X equals 5 is here. And negative 2 is a vertical asymptote. You basically have 3 points. Negative 4, negative 2, and 5. Okay? Yeah, negative 2, negative 4, and positive 5. Those 3 points divide x-axis into 4 parts. One part from here, 5, to the right. Negative 2 and 5, that's the second part. And between negative 4 and 2, that's the third part. And between negative 4 to the left, that's the fourth part. Again, you want to test among those 4 parts, where is positive, where is negative. Okay, so choose another point bigger than 5. Here I chose 8. If you plug in 8 here, 8 minus 5 times 8 plus 4, and here is 8 plus 2. Denominator is 10. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 plus 4 is 12. 3 times 12 is 36. Divided by 10, 3.6. So when x is 8, you have y is 3.6. So 8 is right here for x, y 3.6. I probably need to put this one down a little bit. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the correct point. So I should put 1, 2, 3 here, and 3.6 is slightly higher. So 8, 3.6. That's positive. 1 point is positive, and you know this is a 0 point. Okay, you connect it. Actually, if you have this one, this part is positive, then between these two, you know for sure is negative. But we pick a point. Easy point will be 0. Okay, between negative 2 and 5. You pick 0 for x, and then you put in here 0 squared minus 0, 0 squared minus 0, minus 20. Here 0 plus 2, and upstairs has negative 20, downstairs is positive 2. So the answer is negative 10. So x is 0, y is 10, negative. So then, you know, 0, x, negative 10, that's this point. So you can connect this point with this point. So basically you have 3 points like that. And then you can see when x approaches negative 2, this line approaches dotted line but never touch this line. So that's why we have a vertical asymptote here. And when x goes to positive infinity, this line can be very close to this dotted line but never touches this line. So this line will be the oblique asymptote. Okay, now we are clear about these two parts. Then we need to be clear about this part and the part on the left of -4. We choose -3. Okay, between this -4 and -2. -3 you plug in. Okay, so 3 negative minus 5 -3 plus 4. -3 plus 2, then you have a -1 denominator. -3 -5 is -8. -3 positive 4 is 1. So 1 times -8, downstairs -1, so you have 8. Okay. Now, -3 positive 8. Where is that? -3 positive 8. Very high. Here is 3, and you know here would be 5, 6, 7, 8. So very high here. -3, 8. Okay. So then you know -4 was the 0 point. You plug in -4 here, you get 0 for this quantity, whole numerator. That's why. So you know here -4, 0, this point, you can connect it. Again, here is positive on this part between -4 and -2. Then you know on the left will be negative. Let's pick up -6 to calculate. To pick up -6 is as things we did here. -6 is like -3 here. -6 minus 5, -6 plus 4. Here was -3 plus 4. And here -6 plus 2 was like -3 plus 2. So downstairs you have a -6 plus 2 is -4. Upstairs you have -6 minus 5, -11. -6 plus 4 is -2. 3 negatives make a negative. And then you know here is -2, here is -4, so you have a negative. You have 2 here. So the answer is -5.5. For x equals -6, you have -5.5. So this is your y. 1x is -6. So -6 for x, and y is -5.5. Okay, here is -5. Okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. And -5.5 will be down here. So -6 for x, -5.5 for y, this point. Then you can connect. Okay? You can connect those 3 points. Then you know on the right hand side of the vertical asymptote looks like this. On the left looks like this. And this line will approach this asymptote as close as we want it, but never touches this dotted line. Okay? Again, here there are 3 main steps. Step 1, 0 point. For denominator, you can locate vertical asymptote. Degree is bigger than denominator. The degree of the denominator, numerator is bigger, so you have oblique asymptote. Find it out by long division or synthetic division, and then sketch it. Here are the details to locate 2 points. Okay. Now, step 3, factor the numerator, and then you have 3 points, 5, -4 at 0 points, plus the 0 point for denominator. So 3 points divide the line into 4 parts, and then test the value in these 4 parts. Okay, you always want between -2 and 5, you always want to choose when x is 0. You'll find that y-intercept is -10 in this case. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 points besides 0 points. So then you can find out the picture. Okay, I'll see you next time.